Rating the best 5 online trading brokers in Canada 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to dive into online trading in Canada, you've come to the right place. Today we're rating the best 5 online trading brokers for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, choosing the right broker can make all the difference in your trading journey. So let's get right into it. Before we dive into our list, let's quickly talk about online trading in Canada. Over the past few years, the Canadian trading landscape has seen a huge shift. With technology evolving, more brokers are offering great platforms for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether you're interested in stocks, options, ETFs, or Forex, there's a broker out there that fits your needs. In today's video, we'll be comparing brokers based on key factors like fees, platforms, available tools, customer service, and overall trading experience. Number 1, questrade. First up, we have questrade. This Canadian broker has been around for over 20 years and is one of the most popular choices for Canadian traders. Questrade offers low commissions and has a great user interface for both beginners and advanced traders. They're known for their advanced charting tools, wide range of investment products, and flexible pricing options. For Canadian investors, questrade allows you to trade both in Canadian and US dollars, which is a major perk for those looking to invest across borders. Questrade also stands out because of their customer support and educational resources. If you're just starting out, their knowledge base and free webinars are a big plus. One downside is their inactivity fees, but that's something to keep in mind if you're not an active trader. Number 2, Wealthsimple Trade. Next, we have Wealthsimple Trade. This is an excellent choice for beginners and those looking for a very simple, user-friendly platform. What sets Wealthsimple apart is that they offer zero commission trading on stocks and ETFs. That's right, you can buy and sell with no commissions. It's a fantastic option for those looking to build a portfolio without being hit with high trading costs. However, if you're looking to trade more advanced products like options or have access to in-depth charting tools, Wealthsimple might not be the best fit. They also have limited customer support compared to other platforms. But for simplicity and low-cost trading, Wealthsimple is a solid pick for many Canadian investors. Number 3, Interactive Brokers. Third on our list is Interactive Brokers. This is a global powerhouse and a favorite among active traders and institutional investors. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of assets from stocks to futures, options, Forex, and even cryptocurrency. What makes them stand out is their low margin rates and competitive commission structures, which is perfect for traders looking to maximize their potential profits. That being said, Interactive Brokers is not the easiest platform for beginners. It's designed with advanced traders in mind, so if you're new to the trading scene, it might take some time to get comfortable. But if you're serious about trading and want access to global markets, Interactive Brokers is one of the best options available in Canada. Number 4, TD Direct Investing. Coming in at number 4, we have TD Direct Investing. As part of TD Bank, it's a well-established and trusted option for Canadian traders. TD Direct Investing offers a solid trading platform with access to a wide range of Canadian and US stocks, ETFs, and options. One of the things I like about TD Direct is their excellent customer service and the integration with your TD Bank account, making it easy to transfer funds and keep track of your investments. However, they do charge a bit higher in fees compared to some of the other brokers on this list. If you're someone who trades frequently, the commission costs can add up quickly. But for casual investors, TD Direct Investing is a reliable and secure option.